If you use the Oxford EV charging hub at the Redbridge Park and Ride, you need to be aware that this is closing for 2 weeks. It's Saturday the 12th of July and I'm here charging my Tesla, and there's signs up on many of the chargers saying that the EV charging will be unavailable at Redbridge from Monday the 14th of July through to Friday the 25th of July 2025, while the National Grid carry out critical planned infrastructure maintenance at Cowley on their electrical transmission network. This site is powered from a 4-mile underground cable from the Cowley substation, and the site has a 10 megawatt capacity here for 400 vehicles, but there's currently installed capacity for 44 vehicles. So there's been a few temporary shutdowns here when work is undertaken at the Cowley substation. So if you use one of the 12 Tesla Superchargers, or the 12 Fastned rapid chargers, or the 20 Wanea AC chargers, you need to be aware that this is all going to be closed for 2 weeks from Monday the 14th of July through to Friday the 25th of July 2025. I hope that helps and saves people driving here unnecessarily during the next 2 weeks. Also expect the chargers at the Oxford M40 services to be extra busy too during this period. I'm local and a regular user of this site and didn't realise this was happening until today, so please share this video and hit the like if you found it useful.